Hisense Vidda C3 Ultra. Redefining home projection with next-generation laser technology. Hisense has officially unveiled the Vidda C3 Ultra projector in China, the flagship model of its new C3 series. Building on the success of the C2 Ultra, known internationally as the Hisense C2 Ultra, this latest release introduces a suite of significant upgrades, including an all-new cinema-grade laser module, a redesigned optical lens, and a pan-tilt subwoofer system for a truly immersive audiovisual experience. Breakthrough laser technology. The Vidda C3 Ultra is the world's first projector to feature the MCL39 tricolor laser module, a cinema-grade light engine that pushes color performance to new heights. Hisense claims the projector achieves 110% coverage of the BT 2020 color gamut, ensuring exceptional color accuracy and realism. The device delivers up to 3200 CVIA lumens brightness. Hisense has yet to confirm ISO equivalent figures and boasts a 14,000.1 contrast ratio, producing deeper blacks and more vivid highlights. With a throw ratio of 0.9:1.5.1, it offers flexible placement options, while the integrated adjustable angle stand allows easy fine-tuning of projection height and direction. Professional-grade visual performance. In addition to its powerful light engine, the C3 Ultra supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, IMAX Enhanced, and Filmmaker mode, ensuring cinematic-grade playback that stays true to the creator's intent. The new lens design offers a 10% improvement in light transparency, further enhancing image clarity and brightness. The projector is powered by the MediaTek MT9681 chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM, delivering smooth 4K decoding, fast AI-driven image optimization, and responsive smart system performance. Immersive audio with Harman JBL Sound Hisense has also redefined sound performance in this category. The Vidda C3 Ultra is reportedly the first projector in the industry to include a built-in pan-tilt subwoofer, part of a Harman JBL 2.1 channel audio system. This setup promises rich, room-filling sound with deep bass and precise directionality, a rare achievement in compact projection systems. Advanced connectivity and smart features. Beyond picture and sound quality, the C3 Ultra introduces next-generation connectivity. It includes Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 for faster, more stable streaming and seamless device pairing. The addition of a Car TV Gigabit Ethernet port marks another industry first, allowing direct integration with cable television boxes for simplified entertainment setups. Hisense's AI technology, dubbed DeepSeek, uses intelligent processing to automatically optimize image quality, enhance clarity, and upscale content in real time. Vidda C3 Ultra, a new standard in premium home projection. With over a dozen groundbreaking technologies, including the MCL39 triple laser module, Dolby Vision laser certification, and advanced AI enhancements, the Hisense Vidda C3 Ultra establishes a new benchmark in high-end home projection. Designed for enthusiasts who demand uncompromising picture quality and immersive sound, this model signals Hisense's continued leadership in the smart projector market and could redefine what's possible in home cinema for years to come. Pricing and availability. The Hisense Vidda C3 Ultra is now available in China for CNY 11,999, approximately USD 1,960. Hisense has not yet announced international release plans for the C3 series, though given the company's growing global presence, a worldwide rollout could follow in the coming months. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome reviews on budget-friendly tech. And of course, drop a comment love to hear what you think.